guys, it's Brianna. I'm back with another Ipsy Glam Plus review. Per usual, I've already opened this box, but this is the box that it comes in. Each box comes with a pamphlet that tells you everything about the product, how much it costs, and what is inside, and everything that each product does. So it comes in the same box like last month, and it has the yellow foaming wrap on it once again. So I can start with, let's start from smallest to biggest. How about that? So this month, I got the Ilya Moskwa. I'm butchering that. I'm pretty certain of it. And this is a cute red lip. And it retails for $27. And this is the Ilya Moskwa Anti-Matter Lipstick in the color Midnight. So it is a beautiful red. It looks like this. And sadly, I live in Georgia, so y'all know it gets hot in the south. And it melted and it kind of dented a little bit at the top, but no biggie. You know, I'm not pressed. So it says, these beloved Brit purveyors of cruelty-free beauty know a thing or two about going bold. For example, this non-drying lipstick is universally flattering. It's a classic red and immediate color payoff. It's vitamin E infused and conditions lips for a creamy application. And it gives you a tip. It says, tip, for a flawless application, exfoliate lips, gently rub in a bit of balm, and apply lipstick straight from the bullet. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch this color. Be a little gentle with it. Well, this is the color. It's a pretty nice red. I normally go for reds in this shade because it's like a berry almost. So I know it's not gonna be too overwhelming for me. And the next product is, well, that I'm gonna show you guys is, I was really excited to get this because I definitely need another exfoliator. It is the Glam Glow Daily Exfoliating Cleanser. This retails for $34. And it says it is formulated with ultra refreshing tea oxy, green tea leaf, purple clay, goji berries, and acai. This exfoliating cleanser gently buffs away dull skin cells to reveal a refined, glowing complexion. And it says, tip, gentle enough for everyday use. Apply this cleanser to a wet face and lightly massage in an even circular motion. Rinse and pat dry. So I'm super excited. And it definitely smells really fruity almost, but also powdery. And it's definitely a clay-like consistency. I don't know if you guys can see that, but yeah, that's the clay consistency. So yeah, I'm excited to use this and see how it works on my face, and hopefully I can get rid of those fine bumps that I have. I tend to get those all over, definitely on my cheeks and stuff like that, so we'll see. And the next product is the Wander Beauty Frame Your Face Micro Brow Pencil in the color Dark. I tried this on and it actually works really well. As you guys can see, I don't have any eyebrows, like barely. So micro brow pencils are the best for me because I can mock the little hairs of normal people's eyebrows, but I just wasn't blessed to have them. So they match me perfectly in the color Dark, because I typically, even though like my hair is pretty, it's dark brown, like it's not complete black. So I like to use a brown pencil. So it comes with, of course, the pencil, the micro pencil. There you go, you can see that. And then it comes with a spoolie, just a standard retractable pencil. So that works. I will be putting this to use. And this pencil retails for $21. So that is definitely a huge investment. It's definitely up there with the ABH brow pencils, both the Brow Wiz and the Brow Definer. So it's definitely just as expensive. And yeah, it's pretty much self-explanatory what you do with an eyebrow pencil. And they give you a tip and directions on how to use that. I believe I'm saying, I don't know, I'm about to butcher this. I believe it's the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I'm a little bit iffy with translucent powders. See, I'm a brown girl. And brown girls don't always want to be using translucent powders, but this is really cute. Hello, Brianna. This is really cute. It has a little bow on the top. It's a nice little touch. And this is a lot of powder. Ooh, let me not speak too quickly, honey, because for all this, I don't know if y'all can see that, huh? Okay. For all of this room, you see where the powder stops? Like halfway. Y'all ain't slick. Y'all is not slick. And of course, oh, let me not get powder everywhere, Brianna. Be smart, be smart. So this is the color of the powder. And I really stopped using translucent powders after Laura Mercier came out with the translucent powder in the color Deep. Girl, after Laura came out with that, I stopped translucent powders because I got major flashback and I just looked ghostly underneath my eyes. So I will try this one and let you guys know if there's flashback, if it kind of melts into the skin, because I know there's some white powders that don't always leave you looking ghostly. And I have one, it's the Dermablend powder. The Dermablend powder is amazing. It just melts into your skin no matter what complexion you are, and it does not leave this white cast or this film, and there's absolutely no flashback. So, Ciate, London, I will give you a try, okay? Don't play me. This powder, oh, sorry y'all. That powder retails for $22. Okay, so it says here, this ultra blendable translucent powder from formula-driven innovator Ciate London is finely milled magic. It glides over makeup for a crease-free, soft focus finish and locks your look in all day, which is truly extraordinary. Truly. Okay, don't play me, Ciate. So it says tip, to bake in set areas with concealer, pack on a generous amount of translucent powder. What, so y'all can make me look more ghostly? Not having it. It says leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes before sweeping off the excess. Okay, okay. I'll try it. If I look ghostly, I'm just gonna use my Old Faithful. Don't play, all right? And last but not least, this is the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Intense Eyeshadow Palette. I was very excited to get another palette because it just feeds my inner makeup junkie. Why not? Why would you not want more palettes? And you're only spending $26.99 a month to get all of these things. So why not get another palette, sis? Okay. So the Nomad Cosmetics Berlin Underground Intense Eyeshadow Palette. Whew, say that 10 times fast. Inspired by Berlin's rebellious 90s counterculture, this 15-shade palette features metallics, mattes, and duochrome hues like distressed black, burnt orange, and snakeskin green. It's made from hemp seed oil and nourishes lids with a buttery soft feel and serious color payoff. Okay, because brown girls love payoff. So tip, use these shadows dry for subtle shading in everyday looks, or wet for dramatic high impact shimmer. So you can spray your little Fix Plus on there, or a little bit of, you know, whatever you like to spray on your brushes. Dip it in her and see what it do, okay? All right, so it comes with a cover like every other palette. And here is what it looks like. And also these are cruelty free as well. And it comes with a very nice mirror. Hello. And these are the colors. So I'm very excited. Oh, that is very pigmented. I barely like touched it. So yeah, I could definitely have some fun with this. And this palette is retail for $37. So that is really good and very nice for a palette for those pans to be that big. I'm excited to do a look on those and see what is a poppin'. Okay, so that comes to the end of this video. I hope you guys liked it, and I hope you guys will consider getting you an Ipsy Glam Plus Box, girl, because it feeds your inner makeup junkie. Okay, you don't have to spend $1 million just to try products, and if you don't like it, just cancel your subscription. But like I said in my previous videos, I have been an Ipsy Plus subscriber for years, and it was one of the first subscriptions that I ever had. So it really pays off that you get to try stuff, and if you don't like it, you can always customize your box and say that, no, I don't want mascara this month, or I don't want lipstick this month, and this, that, and the third. I actually came back for another video. I didn't think I was gonna make another one, but as soon as my box came, I was like, let me go ahead and do an unboxing and a review on it. So if you guys like this video, thumbs it up and subscribe, because I will be coming with more content soon. And I hope to see you guys next time. Okay.